Sometimes love leaves before the sun rises. Sometimes tears become your closest companion. But every tear that falls, Jah already counted. So if your heart can still pray, then hope is still alive. Last night the silence called your name. Only empty pillows answer back again. Your picture still hanging by the door, but your footsteps don't echo anymore. Every promise dancing in my mind, like autumn leaves the wind could never bind. I searched for reasons underneath the rain, still couldn't understand the pain. My neighbors say time will heal, but only Jah know how this sorrow truly feels. Though my smile hide behind the day, my broken heart still finds a way to pray. My broken heart still prays, though the tears fall every day. Jah hear every silent cry, even when no words can fly. My broken heart still sings, though sorrow clip my wings. Love may leave without goodbye, but Jah never passed me by. Morning sunlight touch my face, still I feel your empty space. Coffee growing cold for two, yet only one cup waiting through. Sometimes I almost hear your laugh, floating softly through the past. Memories walk these wooden floors like gentle waves upon the shore. Fear comes little by little, faith grows little by little, hope returns little by little. Just still working every little, so I lift these weary hands. Though I don't yet understand, faith become my only friend until this hurting finally ends. My broken heart still prays, though the tears fall every day. Jah hear every silent cry, even when no words can fly. My broken heart still sings, though sorrow clip my wings. Love may leave without goodbye, but Jah never passed me by. Now I see what pain has grown. Not every journey meant forever home. Some souls only walk a while, leaving heaven hidden in a smile. The goodbye became a song. Jah keep teaching me stay strong. Broken branches bloom again after sunshine follows rain. If tomorrow bring another another dawn. I will keep my spirit carrying on.
Love once lived and still remains,
even though it changed its name.
for forgiveness set me free, and just still writing destiny. My broken heart still prays
Every sunrise,
every day,
I collect each falling tear.
whispering,
I am always here.
my broken heart still sings.
Though the storm may shake these wings,
Hope is stronger than despair.
just still walking everywhere.
You never leave me
When the whole world
gone.
hold my soldier,
Carry me on,
heal these memories.
wash away the pain.
Let tomorrow,
Bloom again. Jah never sleep.
God never fail.
Love still breathes.
Beyond the veil,
Faith remain.
hope remain.
After every storm comes the rain, then comes the sunshine. My broken heart still prays. My broken heart still sings.
Just still hear me,
Just still love me.
just still guide me home.